Here comes the elephant, big and gray, walking slowly, hooray, hooray. Swing its trunk and stomp along it goes.
Look at the puppy wag its tail. It runs and jumps along the trail. Bark and play all through the day. It goes.
See the kitten tiptoe so sweet, walking softly on tiny feet. Meow and purr as it goes by. It goes.
The lion walks with a golden mane, proudly through the jungle lane, roaring softly in the sun. It goes.
The monkey swings from tree to tree. Clap your hands and sing with me. Chatter, chatter, fun all day. It goes.
See the cow in the green grass field, walking gently without a shield, mooing softly as it goes. It goes.
The duck waddles near the pond so clear, fluffy feathers and happy cheer. Quack, 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 it plays along. It goes.
The horsey walks across the ground, clip, clop, clip, clop, hear the sound, neighing softly all the way. It goes.
The fluffy sheep walks nice and slow, wool so soft it's time to go. Ba, 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 it's happy too. It goes.
Bah.